What's up, y'all? It's your girl Cash Badass back again with another. Yeah, y'all already know it's am. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cut the small talk because y'all know every time I come on here, I come with the sob story. Y'all, how I ain't been Tony True. So I'm back with some fire. You heard me?
I'm so excited for this one. I don't want to talk about nothing. We get straight into it. You heard me?
Some of the t-shirts I got from Walmart that we gonna turn into like some cute little dresses, y'all. Cheap little regular soft. Fluffy, let me show you. You feel me? These kind of bright, so they gonna be kind of bright. But I got 4X, y'all, cause you know the girl a little big, so I had to get that big girl shape. But no, really I got an upper size, cause mind you, I did watch a YouTube video. I'm not even finna cap like I just thought of this, y'all. No, I watched a YouTube video. I don't know the girl, so I can't shout her out, but I watched it a minute ago, but she made like t-shirts into small little mini dresses. I know, real talk. And that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all how the dresses look on me first. Then I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna turn them into. Okay, y'all, so right here I was pretty much just taking a dress that I had already in my closet and just sizing this t-shirt to be the size of this mini dress, smoothing it out, making sure it's all straightened because I'm getting ready to cut it. So after I pretty much smooth the dress out, I grab my scissors and I get ready to start cutting. Mind y'all, this is my first take on this, y'all. I've never cut, sewn, or done any of this before, so bear with me, please. Y'all gonna see how crooked it get. I was trying to use techniques to try and keep it straight. Like y'all gonna see me get on my knees and hold it down with one side just to keep it from, you know, moving around. Mind you, I'm not about to cut a straight line, as y'all can see, but I didn't want to cut it exactly the size of the mini dress because I needed some room so when I start hemming it, I don't make it too tight, which it still ended up too tight, but it still fit. So now you see how I'm trying to follow the curves they have on the dress already? That's basically the concept. Just following that concept, but making it a little bit bigger. Larger size than the mini dress. So now after I finish that side, we rotate to the next side and pretty much try to do the exact same thing again, even though it's not gonna look the exact same. Yeah, that was a goal. So I'm pretty much cutting it from the bottom back with the knee action all the way till we get up to the top. Okay, so at this point I just had to go back in and kind of like straighten my lines up and clean it up. Y'all see that big crooked right there? Yeah, I'm gonna just try and straighten that up basically. Alright, so at this point I'm tucking in the straps because I'm going to start off making this like a tube top just to make it a little bit easier and just attach the straps afterwards. You see me cutting directly across, still saving some space, and mind you, I just checked to see if I had space at the bottom. So I'm just cutting all the way across without being too close. Super crooked, y'all. Look at it. But that's cool because I had room at the bottom, so I got to like pull it down some. And now I'm pretty much ready to hem. Alright, I missed recording the step, y'all, and I'm so sorry, but basically I just turned the two pieces from the t-shirt inside out and sewed them on the inside, as you can see. And I kind of got a little sloppy with that at the end, y'all, so it was super crooked, and which made the dress really tight on the bottom. Y'all will see in the end. On to the other side, I'm gonna do the exact same thing, y'all. This time I went a little bit slower, took my time, like kind of really play with it without like being so sloppy and going so fast. This side came out actually much better than the other side. Y'all gonna see it's not gonna have that big squeeze on the bottom. Remember, y'all, this is my very first time using a sewing machine. I know y'all probably think I'm capping, but this is not a game. I actually stopped the machine and straightened it back out, like just using my common sense, y'all, because it's very much harder than it look, I promise. It's hard. So as y'all can see, both sides are finally sewed together. This is the top of the dress, y'all, in which I will fold over and hem. That's what I'm trying to show y'all now. Fold that part inside where it's already. And then I'm going to just hem it straight across the top, just like that. Attempt to, anyway. Alright, y'all, my sound was so poor right here, so I still have to record a voiceover, but basically I was showing y'all the hemmed up top, and I'm getting ready to add the straps on. It really did not look that good, so my final project. Not sure how it's gonna look, cause I ain't gonna lie, it look a little rusty on, like my I got holes in it, if y'all can see it. So for my first attempt, I'm gonna say like this is cool. Like I rated like a cool 6 out of 10 for your first attempt, like 5 maybe. It's kind of crooked, but I really do think it's gonna look better on. So y'all stay tuned, cause I'm gonna try this shit on. Let's see. Alright, y'all, so I'm back to show y'all what the dress looks like on. It's really not that flattering, honestly and truly, especially because of this part. Mind you, it was supposed to be a tube top with the straps, okay? So don't mind my bra because I ain't taking it off, but this is what it would have looked like. Similar to the dress that I like went off of, which was like a tube top kind of with the straps. So mind you, y'all, this dress is a little tight, so you see my pudge, which sucks, because I wanted to make it like a little bit looser than this, because it's a t-shirt. But mind y'all, I don't know if I told y'all in the beginning, but this is my very first attempt. I literally just learned how to sew less than 20 minutes before the video. My daddy showed me, so if y'all looking at this shit like, bitch, what the fuck is that? Bear with me, because my very first attempt to a D.i.y, whatever. So yeah, but y'all tell me what it's sitting on. Like, if y'all like this, you can see my pudge. So I would never wear this out nowhere. But I have other shirts like I showed y'all in the beginning, and I'm working on them. I'm gonna try to make them look cute, do something with them. But this is the dress. Okay. If y'all liked that video, make sure y'all give me a like, a comment, you know. So like, comment, and subscribe on my video, y'all. Please subscribe to my channel, because the more subscribers I get, y'all, the more bangers I'm gonna come with. Like, no, real talk. I really want to start doing like legit shit. Like, I'm tired of fucking not posting on my YouTube. That's what I'm tired of. So yeah, I'm definitely be looking out for more videos this week, y'all, because you know we quarantining, so I got all the time in the world to be filming. So yeah, if y'all want to see me do more videos like that, because you know your girl, anything your girl touch, popping, period. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.